Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you quickly and easily how to gather lead in 7 days. This is going to be especially useful for crafting ammunition, lead car batteries and some other things. So to begin, first of all you can go ahead and use the wrench or any kind of salvaging tools to salvage intact cars, gather the lead car battery and go ahead and scrap it to gather some lead. Another option to gather lead is by go ahead and looking at the map and finding these blue squares on the map right where have you been already, and just go ahead and right click and select the quick waypoint. Make sure you see it on your compass, and then just go ahead and travel to the point. And once you are here, you want to go ahead and before you start mining, go to the skills, go to strength, and make sure you got inside of the construction perks these two first skills unlocked to the fullest, because this is going to give you a higher yield of the ore that you mine and also a higher damage with the pickaxe in your hand. So just go ahead once you've gathered some skills and mine the lead ore. And as you can see, it is going to make these iron sounds. And this is pretty much all. How to gather lead in 7 days to die. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.